Hey guys, welcome to Prana at Work. For those of you who are new to my channel, hi, my name's Maria, and today I've got a really easy yoga flow for beginners for stress release that you can do on the weekend. Now, if you are French and you feel more comfortable doing this class in French, the link for the full French class is down below in the description. So go ahead and grab your mat, grab your water, join me in this beautiful time of spring in France, and let's get started. Alright friends, we're going to begin today by being seated on our mat, reaching our hands high, taking a deep breath and bringing our hands to our heart here. Let's take one more deep, big breath in, and we're going to take our right forearm to the ground with our left arm over our heads. Try here to look up towards your left arm. Make sure as well that both sit bones here are grounded. Breathing in through that part of your body. Good job. Now let's go ahead and switch those forearms, now placing your left forearm to the earth, stretching out your left arm towards the opposite side of the room, looking up now towards that right shoulder. Making sure, again, that both sit bones here are grounded. Good. Breathe here. Feel that stretch in the side of your body. Now let's go ahead and bring both arms back up again, this time putting both hands in front of you towards the earth. Bending here from the hips, not from the back. And with each exhale, try to reach your forehead to the ground, opening those hips. This is also a great moment for you to set an intention and dedicate your practice. It can be for yourself or for someone you love. Breathing deeply here, expanding our rib cage with each breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Good job. Let's go ahead and lift both arms up to the sky now. And we're going to go into our tabletop position. So you're up on your hands and knees here. We'll now go into our cat-cow pose. First dropping our belly to the floor, looking up towards the sky in cow, and then rounding the spine, bringing up our belly button into cat. Let's take a couple of breaths like this here. Inhale, cat. Exhale, cow. Inhale, cat, bringing your belly button to the spine, and exhale, cow, bringing your belly button to the floor. Good job, guys. Let's go back into neutral now and come into our child's pose. So we're sitting on our calves with our knees slightly open, stretching out our arms in front of our bodies with our foreheads down on the mat. Focus on your breath here. Feel the positive energy coming through your nostrils as you breathe in the cold air, and feel the negative energy come out of your system as you exhale the hot air out. Good job. Let's come out of that child's pose now, coming to our hands and knees, tucking your toes and straightening your back legs, slowly bringing your hips to the sky in our downward facing dog position, bringing our sternum here to the earth with each breath. Walk it out here, allowing your legs to adjust to this pose. You should feel a nice stretch here in the back of your legs as you feel your heels coming closer to the earth with each exhalation. Let's come out of that pose and walk your legs to the top of your mat. Let's come up halfway, bringing our hands to our shins, and let's bring our hands back to the earth. Go ahead and grab your elbows here and go into our ragdoll position, swaying from side to side, feeling our back stretch. Good job. Let's come out of that ragdoll, slowly bringing our hands to the earth, coming up again halfway with our hands to our shins, and again bringing our hands to the ground. Let's step our left foot to the back mat here, keeping our right knee bent, and go ahead and drop that left knee to the floor. And when you're ready, lift both arms to the sky and open up our heart here in our low lunge position. Try to sink your hips lower with each exhale, feeling that deep openness in the hips. Wonderful. Let's place our left hand to the earth, keeping that right arm high, and look towards our right arm. This is called your twisted low lunge position. Good job. Breathe here. Feel that twist. Bring that right arm down to the earth now, and let's put our weight onto our left leg, straightening out that right leg into our half splits, keeping the right foot flexed. Extend the front knee, and on your exhalation, start to release the body over the top of the right leg. Think here about keeping your hips squared, so you want to pull that right hip back and push the left hip forward. Aligning both hips, and with each exhalation thinking about that stomach resting on top of your thigh. Let's transition our weight back onto our right leg, going back into our low lunge, and let's bring both arms high. Now bring your arms to your side and turn towards your left side, opening your hips and back. Good job, guys. Let's bring both arms back up again, looking forward. Bring your hands to the earth, tuck your back left toe, and bring that left leg to your right into standing. Let's do another halfway lift, bringing our hands to shins. And this time, after we put our hands back to the earth, let's go ahead and step back both feet to the back of our mat and go into our plank position. Imagine here that your body is completely parallel to your mat, not slumping with your hips. Let's put both knees to the mat and bending the elbows, bring your body to the earth slowly and with control. Bring your hands to your shoulders and pushing into the earth, you're going to lift up your chest from the ground, looking in front of you, keeping your arms bent. From here, push up your body with your hands, straightening the elbows, and let's go back into our child's pose for a few moments here. Let's come back into our tabletop position, and slowly by tucking your toes, let's come back to our downward facing dog. This time, see if your heels come closer to the earth, and with each exhale, try to push your sternum down to the floor. Good job. Let's now walk towards the top of our mat. Now doing a halfway lift, so your hands come to your shins, and coming back down with our hands to the floor. Let's take it to the other side, bringing our right leg now to the back of our mat, and bringing the right knee to the floor. When you're ready, go ahead and bring both arms up to the sky, opening our chest here. Good job. Make sure to breathe here. Inhaling that positive energy. Let's place our right hand down to the floor, keeping our left arm high. Once again, try to look up here towards your left arm. Good job, guys. Bring that left arm down and let's transition our weight onto our right leg, straightening our left leg and flexing that left foot here. Once again, align your hips, and with each exhale, see if you can bring your body over your left leg. Deep breaths here, making sure to push that left hip backwards and to bring that right hip forwards. Beautiful, guys, you're almost there. Let's go ahead and bring that weight back into our left leg to go back into our low lunge. And bring our arms to the sides and turn our bodies now to our right side to open our hips. Good job. Let's go ahead now and bring both arms up to the sky. And now, in just one moment, what we're going to do is we're going to tuck our back left toe and bring that left leg to join the right in our standing position. Good job. Let's do another halfway lift here, bringing your hands to shins. And let's step both feet back into our plank position. Once more, trying to keep our bodies parallel to the ground. Go ahead and bring both knees down, bend both elbows, and then use your hands to push up your chest into your baby cobra, keeping those elbows bent and looking in front of you. Let's push our weight into our knees and transition into our child's pose for just a few breaths here. Wonderful. Let's go here into our tabletop position and slowly come back into our seated position here. Let's go ahead and bring our feet together with our knees bent into our butterfly position, allowing our knees to fall to the earth. Good job. Let's now bend from our hips and bring our heads towards the earth to open our hips even more, perhaps pushing those knees with our elbows here. Breathing slowly and gently, profoundly into our bodies, into our nostrils. Let's come back up, going into our seated position and resting our hands on our knees with our palms facing the sky. Take a few deep breaths here in this position, focusing on how you feel after this practice. Focusing on your energy, on your breath. Let's go ahead and bring our hands to the sky, our hands to our heart, thanking ourselves for the beautiful flow we have taken today to release stress over the weekend. Thank you so much for joining me. May love and light be with you. I wish you nothing but peace, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Namaste.